There are different type of delta, my friends. Delta usually develop whenever there are condition like first condition, enough supply of sediments, sediment आना चाहिए upper course से. Second, no strong wave here. ज़्यादा बड़ा strong wave होगा तो ये क्या करेगा? It will take away the sediment. So it should have absence of very strong wave. Third point, at the mouth, this region, there is no down warping. अगर ये down warping है यहाँ पे, वहाँ नीचे जा रहा है ये, तभी भी नहीं होगा. Down warping should not be there. It should have like, when it means at the mouth you should not have a submergent coast. Immergent coast is okay. Submergent coast नहीं चाहिए. Coast should not be a submergent coast. Okay. So in that condition there is development of delta. So deltas are of different shape. Based on the shape, it can be arcuate delta. Arcuate mean arcuate mean fan shaped delta. First is arcuate delta. ARCUATE. Arcuate delta mean fan shaped delta. थोड़ा सा चेंजेस होता है शेप में. इट कैन बी फैन शेप, इट कैन बी आर्कुएट डेल्टा. बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज गंगा, हुआंगहो, पो, राइन. गंगा, हुआंगहो, पो रिवर, राइन रिवर. गंगा इन इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, Sundarban Delta, Huangho in China, Po in Italy, Rhine in Germany, नॉर्थ सी के पास जाके ये राइन डेल्टा है. आर्कुएट डेल्टा, आर्क शेप की डेल्टा है. क्वेश्चन आते हैं व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डेल्टा इज देयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन. आई होप यू विल एबल टू डू दिस. आर्क शेप्ड और आर्कुएट डेल्टा. गॉट इट? आर्कुएट मीन फैन शेप्ड. सेकंड वन इज बर्ड्स फुट. Second one is bird's foot delta. Bird's foot delta. It looks like bird's foot, like digitated बोलते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं digitated delta also. It is also called as a digitated delta. Bird's foot or digitated delta. Digitated. This type delta form outgrowth of natural levee. आपका ये जो ना, this is bird's foot, very irregular, ऐसे रहेगा. Bird's foot like this, outgrowth like this, ऐसे deposition, bird's foot. This type of delta. ये डेल्टा क्या था? आर्कुएट. आर्कुएट, आर्क शेप, फैन शेप्ड. This is bird's foot. Okay, Mississippi, Missouri Delta in USA, Gulf of Mexico region. Best example is Mississippi, Missouri Delta is the bird foot delta, the best example in the world it is. Okay. Third type is estuarine delta. Estuarine delta. Delta at the mouth of an estuary. The delta at the mouth of a river near its estuary. They are very unique. Very unique, you will find out this type of estuarine delta. Okay. These are very narrow and linear delta. एक अगर कोई भी river, let us say this is an estuary. Okay. This is the ocean. Huh? In the ocean, a river is finally draining into the estuary, right? This is a river. So what will happen? This river will deposit here sediments. When it is like a very linear way, there is sediments are there. At the mouth, here itself, there is an estuary. So not inside, it is inside here you will have like this type of linear delta you will find out. This is a very exceptional case. Best developed delta, estuarine delta, is of river. Let me tell you, in our Narmada estuary we have delta, Tapi estuary we have development. Very बहुत छोटे-छोटे हैं ये. Narmada and Tapi, we have also river like Amazon river, Congo river. These delta are estuarine delta. Deltas in the estuary, inside the estuary. Okay, deltas inside the estuary. These very unique cases you will find out here. Okay, got it? Fourth type of delta is cusped delta. Cusped delta mean tooth shaped delta. Tooth shaped delta. So here you will have like this is a river channel in which they develop. This type of cusped delta, you will find out cusped delta, symmetrical delta होता है ये. Best example is there is a river known as Tiber river in Italy. Tiber river delta in Italy. Best example. Cusped delta. I will show you here. Tiber river image. Tiber river delta is best example. This is the river, Tiber river delta. This is. In fact, it is here. Tiber river. You can see, you can find out this, like river delta, very different from others. Satellite images can give the better idea on this. Tiber river delta is like cusped, दांत जैसा आपके tooth shaped delta. They are cusped delta. I hope you got it now. Lacustrine delta mean inside the lake, if the delta is forming inside the delta, lacustrine. Fifth one, lacustrine delta. Formation of delta inside a lake. Lacustrine delta, because while it draining the lake, inside the lake, so the in fact they are very important here. This type of delta Caspian Sea में है. Caspian Sea. In the Caspian Sea, example, Volga river delta inside the Caspian Sea. Very huge delta is there, Volga river. Volga delta, Volga river delta. Let me show you satellite picture. If it is available, you see here, Volga river delta. Best example. Volga river delta, you can see that this Volga river delta is the best example here. Volga river delta will have like all best example you can say. This is Volga river delta. Satellite pictures of Volga river delta, you will see that Volga inside the Caspian. Caspian Sea is a lake, you please remember. Volga delta is I have just given. So these are like an example I have given here. I hope you got it now. The most important things you know about this is like different type of what you call landform. It develops because of this particular characteristics. Glacial, other landforms among these a fluvial landform जो है बहुत ही important है. That's why I have done this. Hope you will spend some time and look at this. NCERT or JC level, you can see the images whatever they are. Concept is this much. I hope you got it. Let me see if any questions you have. Carpet is more looking like a foot. मेरा drawing ऐसे आए. सर PYQ डेल्टा से कैसे आए हुए हैं? सीधे questions will be direct, Nile river has what type of delta or matching question. Statement is correct. Which one they have given? डेल्टा meandering सेम है लग रहा है. सर प्लीज क्लैरिफाई. ए भाई, डेल्टा इज ए डिपोजिशनल लैंडफॉर्म at the mouth, meandering in the river path where it is like, okay, the river which is draining, meandering river. आप लोगों को इतना भी पता नहीं तो मैं क्या करूं भाई. Okay, let me see. meandering river, एक फोटो दिखाता हूं. रिवर इमेज करता हूं. ये देखो, this is a meandering river. Okay, a river is meandering gradually. ये ठीक रहेगा विकिपीडिया से. You can see this. River has meander path. देखो ये रिवर कहाँ से आ रही है. Here it is coming like this, ऐसे होते हुए ऐसे जा रहे हैं ना. तो यहाँ से जब आ रही है इधर, यहाँ पे ये अगर जोड़ गया तो ये ऑक्सबो लेक हुआ कि नहीं. यहाँ दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. थोड़ा समझो, कुछ भी पढ़ा नहीं लग रहा है भाई. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. एस्चुरी क्या होता है? Estuary is a deep valley at the mouth of a river. Estuary is a deep valley at the mouth of a river, generally formed because of mostly due to submergence of the river valley or the coast. सबमर्ज कर जाता है पानी में, तभी एस्चुरी इसको कहते हैं. वेरी डीप प्रोफाइल होता है. Where in fact steep slopy conditions prevail. that's why generally पोर्ट के लिए अच्छा होता है. तो डेल्टा के आगे मैंने आपको जो बनाया था, if you have seen at the mouth, I have done two things there. If you have seen this, let me look at the estuary here. estuary, यहाँ पे estuary है, यहाँ पे पोर्ट बन जाता है. यहाँ पे डेप्थ ज़्यादा है, पोर्ट बनेगा. यहाँ पे estuary है. estuary में ये डीप ड्राउन वैली, ये जो है ना नदी आ रही है, दिस इज द रिवर हियर, दिस रिवर इज ड्रेनिंग इनटू दिस, फॉर्मिंग ए river, part of the river valley submerged in the ocean is estuary. Okay, deep one. It is suitable for formation of port, natural port. Next one, ये जो आपने बोला डेल्टा मेंडरिंग सेम है, लग रही है, तो डेल्टा तो अलग है, मेंडरिंग समझ में आया कि नहीं भाई? यू गॉट इट? दिस इज द मेंडर एंड डेल्टा आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन. डेल्टा के सैटेलाइट पे पिक्चर में दिखाता हूँ, डेल्टा और इमेजेस. ओके, देखते हैं कोई डेल्टा का इमेजेस कोई होगा. ये देखो कितना सुंदर दिया है, दिस इज ए डेल्टा. सी हियर, दिस इज द रिवर डेल्टा एट द माउथ ऑफ ए रिवर. ये कैसे लग रहा है? ये a river finally draining into the sea. Can you see this? ये भी डेल्टा है, ऐसे रिवर इज फ्लोइंग, यहाँ से नाइल रिवर की डेल्टा है. सैटेलाइट पिक्चर है ये रिवर इज फ्लोइंग लाइक दिस. रिवर देखो आप, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर सब है, रिवर सब जा रहे हैं, डेल्टा है ये पूरे रीजन्स. Delta is going to the mouth of the river. Okay, it is done. Again one more question, delta or meandering difference, I hope you got it.